We are in Dixon. Medical building. We got this elevator here. I don't know if it's working. The car, oh, it is. Oh, wow. Oh, it's an old Montgomery. Okay, nice. Sorry, I'm on the wrong floor. It's G. Oh, G is open. We can go to G. What the heck? Look. It's both a door close and an up button. How does that even work? You can only put one filter. Maybe they put a door close filter and the arrow is painted onto the actual button itself. Anyway, I don't want to stick around too long in here because I don't want to get questioned. Here's your telephone. I got a little fuzz on my sweatshirt. Yeah, I don't want to be in here too long here. It's called covers. It's called towers, yet it's only 3 floors, or only 2. Yeah, 4 floors technically. Okay, I'm gonna go. Can I even get out here? No, I can't get out here. I don't want to try. I want to see if the other elevators are the same. I'm not going to film them, but if they're different, I'll film them. There's 2 other elevators here, so I'll go see. But if there's no videos of them, just assume they're the exact same as this one. Anyway.